Marlon Dingle, Mark Carnock, faces quite a big bump in the road with his recovery in Emmerdale as he develops a serious cough. With Marlon back at home following his stroke, the family are slowly trying to work out a way of moving forward and developing a routine that fits Marlon's care. As Marlon isn't working, he's on statutory sick pay, which has prompted Rona, Zoe Henry, to decide it's time to head back to work part-time. Coming up, as Rona returns to the vets, Moira, Natalie J. Robb, realizes she is incredibly distracted and ends up making a mistake. The next day, Rona's determined to have a better day, but she's worried about leaving Marlon as he's developed a cough. As Rona heads off, Bear, Joshua Richards, decides to take Marlon to see Liam, Johnny McPherson, at the allotment. While Liam is pleased to see Marlon, he can't help growing concerned over the cough. As Liam drives Marlon to the hospital to get checked out, Rona panics as Bear informs her of Marlon's condition. But will Marlon be okay? And how badly will the cough impact his recovery?